Hi, this video is on rounding whole numbers. So here are the rules for rounding whole numbers. Step number one, we're going to underline the place value that we're rounding to. Step number two, we're going to look to the right of the underlined number. Step three, if that number to the right of the underlined number is 5 or more, we're going to add 1 to the underlined number. If it's 4 or less, we're not going to change the underlined number at all. Step 4, change all numbers to the right of the underlined number to 0. And then if there aren't any numbers to the left of the underlined number, we're going to just bring those down and not change them. All right, so let's try two examples. Round to the hundreds place value. Step number 1, underline the place value we're rounding to. The 2 is the hundreds place value, so I underline that. Step 2, look to the right. So I'm looking to the right of the underlined number of the place value, we're rounding to. The 2 is the hundreds. I look to the right. 5 or more, we add 1 to the underlined number. So I look to the right, 5 or more, I'm going to add 1 to the underlined number. 2 plus 1 is 3. The next step, change all numbers to the right of the underlined number to 0. And the final step, any number to the left of the underlined number, there are none this time, but any number to the left of the underlined number just comes down and doesn't change. So 253 rounds to 300 when we're rounding to the nearest hundreds place value. We're going to try one more now. Round to the tens place value. Step number 1. Underline the tens place value. The 5 is in the tens column. Look to the right. 4 or less, 4, 3, 2, or 1, or 0, don't change the underlined number. If you have 4 or less to the right of the underlined number, you leave your underlined number the same. The next step, bring everything to the right of the underlined number down as a 0. Everything to the left just comes straight down and does not change. So 253 rounded to the tens place value is 250. I hope this video helps.